the Trinity, sun kissing my face, casting my line. It's a glorious place with Jesus beside me, guiding the tide. Redfish and speckle, the ocean my guide. Flounder lurking where the shadows play, passionate moments I'm lost in the fray. Jesus shines bright under the light, baiting my hook, I'm hooked on this side. Tides pull me closer, they know my desire. The thrill of the catch set my heart afire. With nets full of dreams, I stand on the shore. All my worries cast out, I'm wanting no more. Every cast of prayer, I'm feeling so free. In Trinity Bay, it's where I long to be. Jesus shines bright under the light, baiting my hook, I'm hooked on this side. In the silence of water, peace guides my hand. Nature's a temple so vast, so grand. With every fish caught, there's joy in my soul. Fishing's a journey, it makes me feel whole. Jesus shines bright under the light,